Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. Today we have a Mazda CX7. It could be 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. As long as it has the same key here, the function could be the same. Okay, I don't see door lock, unlock is working, but we try to put another key. We try to add another working key. You see now, if I try to crank it, nothing. Mazda disables the cranking system. That means the car will not crank at all. So let's add the key first, and then we go through how to program the remote. If everything is good there, we can try to program the remote. So I'm gonna go through auto detect. I can put the light here. Could be even here, no problem. So I'm gonna cancel this. I will try one more. I don't know why I'm not seeing the connection here. I'm supposed to get the Wi-Fi ready, and yeah, you see VCI is connected. Now I'm gonna cancel this one. I will try one more. Auto detect. Yes, it sees something now. Diagnose program loading, you see here. I'm gonna say okay. It will tell us exactly what year, what car is a Mazda CX7 blade key from 2007, 2011, the same. Okay, I will say yes. I just wanna remote learn is maybe easy. Okay, I just wanna go to hot function, because the other way is kind of diagnostic and guided. Add a key. I will start it. Will not erase existing key. I did already. I'm gonna. He said put the ignition key in the ignition. Turn it on. Success. Vehicle communicate. I don't know how long. Security access. Success. Learn it key 4. I don't know how many key it take. 5. Do you want to learn another one? No. Perfect. So now escape. We're done with this one here. I'm going to turn the key off. Start it now. See the car start. So now we're going to do the programming the remote. Okay. Put the door is closed. Let me see how it is. Maybe it will tell us here. Turn the ignition off, close all doors, open driver door side. Learning must be complete within 24 seconds. Turn the ignition, switch from off to on 3 times. Open and close the driver door 3 times. Keep door lock and unlock. Keep doors locks. Keep doors locks and unlocks. If no, repeat the above mentioned steps. Okay. Okay, here in the C, door lock and unlock. Press and hold the unlock button on the first fob twice. Keep door lock, unlock. Keep door lock and unlock. Press and hold the unlock button on the second fob twice. Keep door lock and unlock. Because that means the door will lock and press and hold the unlock on the third if you have more than one. Lock and unlock. Unlock, okay, indicate that the learning is successful. Lock and unlock. Okay, lock and unlock indicate door is. So this is a procedure for it. So what we're gonna do, follow with us. I don't know if this is gonna work or not. So you're gonna do like this, 1, 2, okay, let's go now. Turn the ignition off, close all the doors, all the door close, open this. I open this one here. Okay, put the key in the ignition. Where my key? 1, 2, 3. Open, close the doors 3 times. 1, 2, 3. It doesn't go to program mode, so we're gonna do it one more. So you just have, it's very simple. Just if you read this information, it will be able to do it. Open the driver door. Must be finished in 24 hours. Turn the ignition from off to on 3 times. Okay. Let's go here. 1, 2, 3. Door supposed to lock and unlock. Oh, he said open and close the door 3 times. So let's start all over again. Driver door is on, okay. Talata. It doesn't work. I'm gonna try to do it slowly without a camera, then I will come back, but at least you understand how it's going. Please subscribe, share and like, and give us any idea. Okay, I was able to program the key. How you're gonna do it is very simple. You come in to program the remote. I'm talking. Okay, unlock the car, leave this one here, leave the door open, lock and unlock. You're gonna put the key in the ignition, turn it 1, 2, 3, leave it off. Now you're gonna close the door. 1, 2, 3. You see, door respond by itself. Now you're gonna push this 1 time. 1, 2, and then also this one is 1, 2. That's it. The door cycle. Take it out. You're gonna cycle by itself. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and like. Okay. See, walk. And this one also walk. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and like. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. See you in another video.